We are here at the 2012 Barely Open Golf Tournament. We are Sawmill Loggers Trail with MetLife sponsoring the 8th hole out here. It's a balmy 5 degrees above zero here today in Minnesota. You see the 8th hole here. People teeing off on our hole. It's a long par 5 out here on the 9-hole course here on White Bear Lake. You drove the green? We got $1 billion bet here on video, so.
$1 billion if you want to bribe me $1 billion.
Hey,
This group only. I actually went over. I shot over the green. I'll probably grab my ball.
yeah, I know. They were like playing around with your ball right?
Well, $1 billion.
Here's our whole flyby here. Little dog rag right, coming up along the trees here. Out of bounds over here to the left. Got our little chipping contest over here. People over here on the green. Come up to our green here. As you can see.
Sorry, I didn't think I could hit it that far.
Driving in the group in front of them here.
Down to 345-yard drive. Overshot the green a little bit.
So, oh, there's Jeff.
No problem.
It's our chipping contest here. They got to make it in the bucket. Oh!
Oh! That's right there. Oh!
Into our tent here. See, we've got some Snoopies from MetLife, some alcohol, some hats, 16-man trophy. Yes, sir.
Oh, I got the right. He's dialing it in. Oh, he's got the lacrosse net.
Oh! Oh!
Oh! Rats!